Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to install a SaharaCase ZeroDamage screen protector for your TV. Let's get started. First, use a lint-free cloth to clean the TV screen, ensuring all fingerprints, smudges, and dust particles are removed. Next, take the self-adhering Velcro strips included in the package. Remove the sticker backing and, with the Velcro side facing up, place one strip on the top corner of the TV, flush with the edge. Press the Velcro firmly to secure. Repeat the same steps on the other end of the TV. SaharaCase ZeroDamage screen protectors are compatible with all major TV brands. They maintain a high-definition, clear image, all while protecting your TV from damage and scratches. With multi-layer protection, your eyes are shielded from harmful blue light. Next, peel off the plastic adhesive from the screen side of the protector. Carefully align the Velcro on the protector to the Velcro on the TV. Press down to connect the strips. Now that the screen protector is firmly secured, remove the plastic adhesive from the front to reveal the full color spectrum of your high-definition TV. Also included in the kit are self-adhering rubber pads. Depending on the model of your TV, these can be used for added protection or to adjust the screen protector fitting. For our sample TV, they are not needed. That's it! Your TV is now fully protected with a SaharaCase ZeroDamage screen protector.